So, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So, now let's discuss another problem of Leetcode known as letter combinations of a phone number. So, this is an important question because it is asked in top MNCs. So, now let's go to the question. So, in this question, we are given that given a string containing digits from 2 to 9, inclusive written all possible letter combinations that the number could represent written an answer in any order. So in this question we are given the numbers from 2 to 9, and here it is shown that each digit is mapped with some string, and we need to return the all possible combinations of these strings according to the digits given in our input string. Okay, if we take the example of 2 3. So 2 is mapped with ABC and 3 is mapped with DEF. So the possible combinations are like A and D, A and E, A and F, and like that all these are all possible combinations from the given input. So if I talk about the solution of this question, we can solve this question like if I keep a pointer on a letter, on a single letter, and if I move another pointer to the string mapped with another digit, and then we can solve this question using recursion. So now let's code this question. First we will make a vector string, so that, and we can name it as ans, and we will return this string. And now we will check the condition. If the given input is 0, the length of the string is 0, then we can simply return our answer. But if it is not, then we will make string output. One more, we will make index, or you can say ID. And now the most important part, that we have to map these digits with the corresponding strings. Okay. These are empty because of 0 and 1. And if I write the strings corresponding to their indexes, so these will look like this. Now we will call our function, right? We can name it as solve, and we will pass the arguments like digits, items, and yes, mapping, and we will return our answer. Okay, now let's code this function. Now if I talk about the base condition, so the base condition would be if the index, that is id, if it is greater than or equal to the digits, the length of the digits, then we will push back output. And we will return. Okay, but if this condition does not satisfy, then we will take a single integer, like if in this example there we are given 223. So if I want to take 2 from this string as integer, then I have to digits int num equal to digits and id minus 0. Okay, we are subtracting the ascii value so that it will give the integer value to the num, because digits of id will give you string. So that's why we are subtracting the ascii value. String value. Now we will make a string named as value, and we will assign it as the corresponding string. Okay, now we have to go through all the elements. So we will use for loop I equal to 0, and it will go till the length of the value string. So value dot uh, length, we will calculate length of the value by length function and I plus plus. So now we will push back the value of I in output string. And now we will call our function, and we will increment our index, that is id plus 1, so that we can go through the next element, and our rest of the strings. And now we have to pop back our value from output string. Oh, so now our code is complete. Now let's try to run our code. So our code is accepted. Now let's submit our code. So yes, our code is submitted, and I hope this video helped you in learning new things, and thank you for watching this video.